Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to build a complete restaurant application using Replit AI. That is an AI agent tool. We'll be seeing that. So before that, let me quickly explain the difference between the ChatBot, ChatGPT and AI agents or composers. So let's see, what is the ChatBot? So a ChatBot is a software. So it will be designed to simulate to human-like conversation. It will be answering the specific question which is already fed. Typically used for customer support or FAQ questions for the answering and automated response to the related to a specific domain. So you may have seen chatbots in banking apps or shopping websites or the WhatsApp chatbot. So many of the tools have the chatbot option already there. So these are simple rule-based bots, meaning they respond with a predefined answer that have already been programmed or they are already fed by some of the developer, right? So we can say that chatbots use basic AI to respond to the user queries or any doubt, so related to the specific domains. So then comes to the ChatGPT, so which is given by that OpenAI. So we know about it. It will be changing the world, everything. So which is more advanced AI compared to the chatbot. So the GPT means it's a generative pre-trained transformer models. So these are can generate a text like human, engaging in deep conversations and answering the wide range of questions. So some of the examples is there like ChatGPT, which is given by OpenAI, Gemini family is bought by Google. So many of this is currently available. So the DeepSeek also recently introduced by the China. Okay. Finally, we have a AI agents are coming. It's called some of the tools called composer, like Cursor AI. That is a composer. So which are even more advanced than ChatGPT. They can think, act, interact like a visual assistants, making automation decisions in their own. So for the example, so we know the Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, how we are going to help us. So you know that self-driving cars, they are also like Tesla autopilots. Okay, they will be visually understand the road position and will be driving by own, right? So these are the AI agents we are calling like this. So recently, I have been experienced with different AI tools for coding help, such as ChatGPT, Replit, Bolt, Cursor AI, and GitHub Copilot. One thing I noticed is that they are not capable to handling complex tasks efficiently. So I have some of the evidence. We'll be posting some videos later. So now let's open the Replit AI tool at the website. Let's get started. Replit AI tools are also available in the mobile application. You can install through that. You can access it. And the Replit AI, you can generate the projects from there. Now I am going to use the Replit official website. So from here too, we are going to develop applications. So this AI can generate a full stack application, a mobile application, anything if you want, you can be able to generate by this AI. So fix these issues itself. So deploy it in any host services like Firebase hosting, or they have own web hostings. It will be hosting that web application. However, there are some limitations in the free version, the standard version. Certain features is required for the payment. So if you want to that video, you will be pay for it and then do it as a separate video. So if you require, you just comment it in the comment box. We will try to complete this project using this free or started mode. So before getting started to the project, we need to generate the AI prompt. For that generating the AI prompt, I will going to use the ChatGPT to create a prompt. What is a prompt is? So we can give any description to the AI. They should understand, right? So instead of that, we can given us a AI understandable prompt. It will be short and some detailing description like technical or something. Okay. So with the help of ChatGPT, we are going to generate that AI prompt now. So here I will provide a simple description to build a restaurant menu system app. So in this app, the customer can register using the name and mobile number. Once registered, they will see the delicious food menus, and in that dashboard they can select items to order. For now, I am requesting a basic registration system and small menu with a different category like starters, main course, dessert, like this. Once a customer places the order, they should be able to track its status like such as waiting, cooking, or served. When all the orders is coming in the served status, they can view the total bill summary so they can able to pay, right? For now, I'm not adding any payment options. Just simple cash payment will be giving like this. So let's generate the AI prompt using the ChatGPT. Yeah, it will also suggest us some technical recommendations building this app. So ChatGPT has provided the AI prompt. It suggests creating the full stack web application for the restaurant menu system as our requirement. It has broken down the app into the different modules. The first module user registration and login module. Here I'm not including OTP or session tracking for now since this is a simple application, right? And then food menu with the category module, and then order placement page model, and order tracking with the status of the update. So now let's copy and paste this AI prompt into the Replit AI. Once the project is created by AI, we will explore it in upcoming video. In starter mode, we can create up to 3 projects. In per day, they will be allowing around 10 requests. So let's see we can able to complete the project within the starter mode. Okay, now let's paste the AI prompt here. So at this stage, Replit AI is processing the request and generating the base setup for our project. It's also asking us if you want to add any features like admin panel or OTP based authentication. So I don't want to add it now. For now, I will only select the PostgreSQL as a database and enable that real-time order updates. The PostgreSQL is a NoSQL database, it's easy to integrate. So that I'm using this. So that I am going to choose this. Replit AI now creating the React.js app for both the server and client side application. We can see that code generating in the right panel. If you want an Angular app or other front-end technology, we need to specify in the prompt. Anyway, however, I believe Angular is available only in upgraded version. Okay, now it's downloading the required dependency. So here's one of the advantages of the Replit AI is it's automatically detect and fixes the error by own. However, I noticed that Cursor AI, we need to manually select the compiler error and fix them. Okay, let's see in the future videos with the Cursor AI. At this stage, Replit AI suggests verifying whether the authentication page loads correctly and check the login and registration form. Okay, let's going to check. I ask for just name and mobile number of the customer, but the system has also added the username and password by default. Okay, anyway, we can go with this. Okay, everything looks good. So everything looks good so far. The app has 4 menu categories like as discussed, starters, main course, beverage. Next, we add some food items to the order. However, the order list is not visible yet. Replit AI is now starting to generating the code for that. Next, we add some food item into the order. However, the order list is not visible yet. Maybe Replit AI is now starting to generate the code for that. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah, now it's prompting us to add a database, but for now I will skip this step. We will be add it later. Okay, let's confirm and proceed with the developing the next page like cart page. Replit AI is now asking us to test a cart functionality. Okay, before proceeding further, we will check it and give the confirmation to them. Okay, let's test the registration and login. Oh, the login is not working because the database is not added, right? Yeah, good. The order placement is working successfully. Yeah, one thing I noticed, now I need to update the currency from dollars to INR and also modify the order status. Updates should be waiting, cooking and served. But I need to add some changes. Prices should be show in INR instead of dollar. And one more change is order status should be changed every 2 seconds from waiting to cooking to serve for testing purpose.
Okay, now let's see how Replit AI update the code as per my request. Yeah, good. Now the currency has been updated. The order status also been updated every 2 seconds. Let's check it again. Oh, the order status is not updated in the order page. And the food names also is not visible. It's showing item 1, item 2 like this. Here Replit AI has identified my request changes and divided them to the 3 key points. Oh, almost 50% of the request has been used. So it's showing that alert from Replit. We can make it only 10 requests per day, I think. Let's see if we can proceed tomorrow or download the code manually. Okay, let's check if the order status is showing or not. Now it have added the row for the current status. Okay, fine. It will be showing the status for all the food items. Anyway, we can use the dev tool for this project to troubleshoot the issue ourselves. I think they can't able to find it the issue. Dev tool is showing the lot of errors in Replit official website. Okay, anyway, we will be proceed with the deploy it using Firebase. Let's ask the AI to host this website through Firebase hosting.
Not working status change. Anyway, can you proceed to deploy it in my Firebase hosting?
Oh, it's a standard mode, right? So it will not do it in the Firebase hosting anything. So leave it the hosting now. Okay, let's check the authentication module again. Good, it's working with local cached data because we didn't add a database, right? Okay, now it's asking us to add the database. We can add the PostgreSQL database here. Showing that the database is temporary. Okay, fine. Let's proceed. Once everything is done, we can open the file menu and select. You can download and import it to the VS Code or any tool, IDE, any IDE, and we can run it in the local. Let's see how it deploys, or we will download the code and rebuild it. Oh, the app crashing due to the database error. Now it's analyzing the logs to find and fix the issue. Okay, they have fixed the database issue and restart the project now. Let's register and log in with the database. Yeah, yes, the login flow is finally working with the database. Now let's place the order and test it. Oh, the web page looks responsive. Good. Now the status is showing as waiting for all the food items. Okay, but it's still not working properly. We will analyze the code manually. Let's check the dev tool for this project. Oh, the status API is called, but it's returning a 404 error, which is why it's not working. Let's refresh the page and check the API again. Okay, the user orders APIs are working fine. It's getting the response. This is a GET API, but the status update is not working. Okay, alright, let's download the project code and let's open the source code in the VS Code. Okay, we will continue in the next video. So these videos take more time, so we will be posted in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting for more videos on AI and full stack app development. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and support. Thanks for watching.